Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, I'm gonna get right down to it here, okay? If you saw my last video, you saw that I'm having issues with doing my Dutch pours, blowing it out, and it just getting swallowed up by white cells. I don't know what's going on. It happened in my last piece, the piece before that, the piece before that. I don't get it. I just don't get it. So I'm going to do a quick little experiment. I am going to replicate a video of mine, video number 311. It is the big, massive 16 by 40 inch diptychs that I did. I'll put the video up here for you. Now, those are the pieces that are hanging currently in my living room. I made those pieces for myself. But if you check out that video, you'll see that it turned out beautifully. No white cells, no swallowing up of the colors, none of that. So I am going to do the exact same thing using the exact same colors in the exact same order, just on a smaller canvas, because I ain't doing this on a big canvas if it's going to swallow up, because I have a feeling this is the problem. I have a feeling that they have changed something in the Artists Loft paint, and I have to try this. Like, if you watched my last video, I'm doing this video the same night I did that video. Like, it's same night. I'm just so frustrated that I have to see if it's going to happen again using the colors from video 311. So if it does, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to stay away from a white base background for now and stick to blacks or a colored base. Because I don't know what's going on, and I'm going to have to figure it out. So, here's my Artists Loft Flow Acrylic White mixed with American Floetrol, Flood Floetrol. I'm not using Australian Floetrol, so that's not the reason why I'm getting all the white cells. Mixed with Floetrol and water. Check out video number 63 for the ratios on how I mix my paints. I don't know. So, and this is the same bottle I used for the last video. So I did not change bottles. Same bottle. It's almost coming to an end here. It's almost empty, but enough to do one little 12 by 16 inch Dutch pour. And I'm flooding the canvas the same amount that I always flood the canvas, because I always do this swirly pattern. You know, I don't change anything, and I've been using my spatula, over 2 years now. So you would think I've kind of got the hang of this, and you know, I am beyond frustrated with what is going on here, because I don't want to have to change white paints, because this is obviously the cheapest that I can get in this amount. Like, if I were to use Amsterdam or some other brand, it's going to be expensive. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to have to figure this out, or maybe, I don't know, find a way to contact Artists Loft and say, hey, what the HE double hockey sticks have you done to your white paint? So I'm not really sure. So let's do this pour and find out if we have the same problem, because in video 311, there's no problem. So let me just get my sides flooded here. Make sure my sides are fully covered. So if this happens again, you're going to start seeing a lot of different color base Dutch pours and black Dutch pours at this point. But I do have some commissions I need to do for some clients. So I might have to use like Amsterdam or something if this nonsense persists. So we shall see. Very disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. It's so frustrating, beyond frustrating. Like, it really just makes you want to be like, okay, that's it, I'm done. I'm not doing anymore. I'm not doing any more videos. I'm not doing any more paintings. It's just, it's it's just a downer, just really deflates you when you've been doing something for so long and it's been working out the way you want, the way you like, and then, you know, this happens. So, all right, let's see how this is gonna work. Oh, let me pop my bubbles first. All right. Okay, so I've got a lot of colors here for such a small canvas, but I've done it before. So let's go with Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. Then we have Indanthrene Blue by Holbein. Then we have Sterling Silver by DecoArt. Then we have Winsor Blue by Winsor & Newton. Then we have Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo. Then Greenish Blue by Amsterdam, and topping it off we have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Those are the colors. I'm not gonna like lay them on thick or anything like that because this is a small canvas. So let's do the same design as last time, maybe just change up the way the wispy goes. So let's go in this direction this time instead. So how about we do that? And we do a wispy like that. So I'm just really bummed about this. And I kid you not, this is my third painting of the night. I have been working on the painting for the Great Switcheroo Part 5. You will have seen the intro of that in some of my videos, and probably this video if I remembered to put it in at the beginning. I don't always remember things I'm supposed to, but so I have to do that video, and I did that as well tonight. So this is my third painting for the night, and I've never done 3 in one night. So I don't know. Let's I'm just beyond frustrated. It really makes you want to cry. Like, seriously. Oh, bummer. Bummer, bummer. All right, one more color. One more. There we go. Okay, I'm going to pop the bubbles. Now, if all goes according to plan, this should turn out because it turned out in video number 311. So I'm going to blow this way first into the negative space and continue my way as we go. And there you have it. So I would swear, I'm not going to swear because I'm on camera, but you don't want to know what's running through my head right now about this, because it's this. It is. It is. It just is. So, like, I don't care what anybody says. It's the white Artist Loft. It is, because I flood my canvases the same way. I do everything the same way. I use the same colors. And if you see my video 311, the results are not like this, okay? So it's the Artist Loft, it's the Artist Loft paint. Although it still is very pretty, but it's not what I'm going for. So let's see here. I'm going to blow a little bit over the edge here without face planting into the painting. Okay, and I guarantee you that is going to sell up as I'm talking. And you can see it's already selling up. The white cells are appearing. Now I'm blowing ever so slightly because I'm trying just to blow the paint over the white and not into the white. But it's still, look, see, selling up. It's selling up. What else is new? All right. I'm just trying to get more color into this. All right, I don't think I'm gonna touch anything else. I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna clean up my sides and I will bring you in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, guys, so here we have the close-up. I have to scrape the drips. I haven't done that yet, but I will. And just my stick's on the other side of the table. But it is pretty. I do love the colors, of course, because they're the colors that are on my wall in my living room. The colors are gorgeous. I just can't stand too many white cells. Now, like I said, a lot of you like it, a lot of you don't. It's a preference thing. So let me know what you think. Do you like the white cells or do you hate the white cells, or are you kind of in between? So there you have that. I'm going to turn off the lights and see what it looks like with the flash on. All right, so flash is on. Let's check out the beautiful shimmer, which there should be a lot of because of the Pebeo paints, and the sterling silver in here, which you can definitely see. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is pretty. This whole painting shimmers. Wow, that's really nice. I actually really like this a lot. Look at that. Oh, I gotta fix that. Gotta fix that. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. I'm actually really happy with this piece, even though it's got all the white cells on it. I really do like it. All right, let's turn the lights back on. All right, everybody, so there you have it. Now, when this piece dries, it will get a top coat of Krystal Resin. And for those of you who have been waiting for casting resin, I mentioned in my last video, casting resin is now on the website. It's finally available on the website. It's not on Amazon. It's just on crystalresin.com's website. You can save 5% using code Kanella5. And the casting resin is great for silicone molds. You can pour up to 1-2 inches thick. I'd have to read the label, but every casting resin is different. But I'm super excited. I'm going to get my hands on some of it soon, and I'm going to be doing some more resin projects. So that's going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, if you're interested in casting resin, get it now before it sells out. Okay, so that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And that is it. So until next time, which isn't going to be a white-based Dutch pour, probably not. At this point, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.